Hi, I'm Ralph from DYMO, and today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for your LabelWriter 550 Turbo printer. When you open the box, first you will have your Quick Start Guide. Next, remove the printer. You will also find the power adapter, your power cord, your USB cord, and your roll of starter labels. Take the power adapter and plug it into the back of the printer. Then, take the power adapter cord, plug it into the power adapter, and into an outlet. Note that you must use the power adapter that comes with your printer. Different printers have different adapters. Your printer should now be turning on. Now, go to dymo.com and select your region, click Support then Downloads, Software Drivers, and User Guides. You must have your software downloaded prior to plugging your new LabelWriter 550 Turbo printer into your computer. Your LabelWriter 550 Turbo printer is now ready to print. We hope these basic tips and tricks help you to set up your LabelWriter 550 Turbo printer. If problems persist, please contact the DYMO Consumer Care line for more support.